Hi, I'm Paddy Jennings, living up here for 8 or so years, my family. Day-to-day stuff is mostly cutting in new tracks at the moment and carrying the traps into the sites, and then resetting pretty much weekly when the weather permits. What do I want to see this Ngahere look like in 10 years from now? I want to see a lot more bird life. It's pretty dead at the moment. Healthier trees, just healthier land in general. This mahi is definitely on the right track to doing that. We're slowly but surely getting there. The impact on locals if this forest thrives is huge. It's a food source if you want it to be. We eat a lot out of here. Probably for me the main thing I want to leave behind when I'm done here is just the knowledge for my kids. We're pretty big on trying to be self-sustainable as possible, so teaching them what you can and can't eat and what you can utilise, and knowing how to be safe.